So if you're having trouble with your clothes coming out wrinkled at the end of the cycle, most dryers have the feature that even after the dryer has shut off and your clothes are dry, it will continue to tumble the clothes. There may be a switch that's on your dryer that gives you the option to turn that on or off, so you'll want to look at that first. Some of the electronic models have it as well with the button where you select it, and it'll give you an indicator saying it's on. So in a dryer that has a mechanical timer, or basically one that doesn't have an electronic display, they'll have that feature as well where you make a manual selection to turn on that feature for them to continue on. So for that model, there may be a situation where the timer itself is giving you the trouble. One of the other things that you may be experiencing that's going to give you that condition of the clothes being wrinkled when they come out is the dryer not going through a cool down cycle. So what's happening is that right from the whole time that the dryer is coming down to its last 5 minutes, instead of that heater being turned off and the air allowing to cool, those clothes are being heated right up to the same as they were to get the moisture out of them. And then once the dryer gets to the end of the cycle and shuts off, those clothes are laying in there at a very high temperature and they just compress on each other, and being that warm, you're going to get a huge amount of wrinkles. So even though it's going through its cycle and tumbling fine, if it doesn't go through that cool down, you're going to wind up in a situation where the clothes are hot coming out and they're wrinkled something terrible.